You want to go to the park? Yeah? You look super excited. You're so cute. Okay, let's go to the park. I'm heading to Sunset Park, and my dog knows exactly where we're going. She's about ready to lose her mind because I'm about ready to pull in. Sunset Park is Chile approved. Hey, quiet. Nobody wants to hear you bark. She loses her mind when she's here. And I better be ready to go because as soon as I park, she is, well, you'll see. So we're gonna go for a walk and a little bike ride. Chili's a little arthritic, and I make her walk a little bit, but I have a basket for my bike, so I take her for bike rides, and she absolutely loves it. So let's take a look at Sunset Park.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh.
Are we on a break? Did you find a shady spot? Do you want me to pick you up? Okay. This is how Chili walks sometimes. She walks a little bit and then wants a break. So, you know what? She gets it. I have a very spoiled dog. She's also 11 and I give her breaks. You ready to walk? Are you ready to walk? Let's walk.
All looking for adventure. We are 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 all looking for adventure. Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And know, with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply can't deny it, that I feel adventure calling out to me. Yeah, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Too thirsty? Get some drinks. You okay? Get a drink, silly. Did you have fun? I think she had fun.
Living free, and I was meant to be.
Chile.